This little bird fits in your palm for a reason. It's called a comfort bird. Small enough for a pocket and shaped to keep your hands busy. I'll show you how I make one from scrap on the bandsaw and carve it in just a few minutes. I'm starting with a small scrap of sympathy, but any hardwood will do. I attach a template before heading to the bandsaw. And if you want to make one of these yourself, I'll leave a link below where you can get the templates. I cut the bottom template first and save all my offcuts. Then I tape it all back together and cut the side profile. Now, it just needs a little refinement. I start by shaping the head. I'm using a flex shaft with a carving burr, but a Dremel works just fine. Then I move on to the body and tail, rounding everything over. I add a shallow groove under the tail, then sand everything smooth. A little oil brings the grain to life.